Thanks, Scott, for your wonderful introduction, and thank you all for attending the Making a Difference Week kickoff. I'm Kevin Rickloffs. You may know me from my previous role as Chief Culture Officer at CHG and the general sidekick to Scott Beck, but today I'm the president of the Making a Difference Foundation. All last week, I listened to the fall fund drive at NPR and made the decision to not use any other fundraising techniques. So there'll be no challenge grants, there's no minimum donations needed, and unfortunately, no wait, don't tell me coffee mugs to give away. Instead, I wanted to celebrate the Making a Difference Foundation 5-year anniversary and all that we have accomplished together. In September, 5 years ago, Scott Beck and I were at dinner, and we had a conversation about how great it would be to have CHG partner with CHG employees and healthcare providers to make a difference in our communities and across the world. 4 months later, through personal donations from the executive team, the Making a Difference Foundation was formed. As you know, caring is one of the central beliefs of putting people first culture, and the foundation allows us to demonstrate this value every day. Our mission is as true today as it was 5 years ago. It guides our work and is our North Star when we make decisions. It starts with a simple belief that each of us can create a ripple effect of positive change in the world. We are thrilled by the progress over the last 5 years and are so excited as we look towards the future. What I am most proud about at the Making a Difference Foundation is the programs we have created to support our local communities. To date, your donations have allowed us to provide grants totaling over $1.6 million. This is our largest area of grant giving. Your donations have gone to many different causes, including filling backpacks with food for kids to take home over the weekends, helping abandoned pets, bringing hope and support to those facing cancer, and providing free and reduced medical care and dental services. We have been so impressed with the number of employees that have continued to stay involved and volunteer with various nonprofits, even in the midst of a global pandemic. In 2017, the foundation quickly ramped up our partnership with healthcare providers to support them going on medical missions. During our first 3 years, we were able to send 116 doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals on 21 medical missions. The vast majority of these healthcare providers have done assignments with CHG. They are part of the CHG community. In 2020, we were all set to have our biggest year ever with 115 providers going on 15 trips in a single year. Then COVID began and put a halt to all our plans. We are looking forward to 2022, when we plan to resume supporting providers on medical missions within the United States and all over the world. But what we're most proud of is the over 17,000 patients who were able to be treated on these missions. Each one of these faces are real people from real villages and towns who receive care from providers we supported on a medical mission. These are families and individuals who have limited or no health care. We wanted to share these beautiful faces with you so you could see the people you have helped. Disaster can happen anywhere to anyone. It happens in our own community and even within our CHG family. When COVID hit our internal CHG community, I was thrilled the Making a Difference Foundation could step in and provide relief to CHG families during the pandemic. These grants went to helping employees offset some of their basic living expenses, food, housing, and rent. We also provided a grant directly to the Employee Compassion Fund to allow that program to continue to provide grants during the difficulties of 2020. In addition to helping CHG employees, in each of our 5 years, we have sent disaster relief grants to help provide support to tragedies here in the US and all over the world. We have provided disaster relief grants to Haiti in the wake of a devastating earthquake, providing food and medicine during hurricanes and earthquakes, both in the United States and abroad, supporting frontline healthcare workers as they fought the pandemic, and in many more places. This year, in the Making a Difference Week telethon, all donations in our basket of hope is going directly to disaster relief grants. We hope you'll consider donating. In 5 short years, we have done a lot together. I hope that you see how much of a difference your donation has made to real people, some sitting next to you and some on the other side of the world. Your donations have made a difference far beyond what you will ever know. Thank you for supporting us the last 5 years. And thank you for considering your continued financial support during the Making a Difference Week. As we look ahead to the future, we still need your help and we appreciate your donations. We cannot continue to do this great work without you. If you have any questions about the work we do, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. You can also read stories about our work on our website, blog, and follow us on Instagram. But most of all, thank you. Thank you for your donations and time and effort you've put into the Making a Difference Foundation. We appreciate the trust you've put in us. And now I'll pass the time over to Davina Mockley to talk about the Employee Compassion Fund. Davina?